Hello. And welcome back. This is episode 9. My name is Jay. I am the editor at Money Off For You.
And I'm Jane, the holidays and hotels specialist. You're in the right place to find out where and how to get money off things you are planning to buy anyway.
Let's get cracking. We're here to help you save money. Currently, there are more than 160 stores where you can get money off purchases using discounted gift cards, which are like money, but cheaper.
Yes, and 24 of those are in the holidays and hotels category that we'll cover in this video.
And the rest are in other areas of spend, whether that be at supermarkets, on clothing, or the cinema,
homewares, food deliveries, and so many others.
We have separate videos on the channel where we cover saving you money on these too. Jane, tell us more about how to get this money off.
Okay. Gift cards are available because someone sold them to a reseller website, or because they are bought in bulk. In either case, the stores that have discounts, the quantities available, and the amounts, are all limited, so, when they are gone, they are gone. Ideally, choose an item you want to buy. Let's say it's £100. Go to the reseller website. Let's say they are offering a £100 gift card with a 5% discount. You buy it for £95, getting £5 off. Pay for the item with the gift card with a £5 saving.
If you are thinking about making a purchase in the near future, make sure you are subscribed so we can keep you up to date with the discounts available.
And then act quickly, as they can be sold at any time.
Absolutely. And how do you use them?
Using a gift card is usually really easy. However, it's worth checking the terms and conditions to make sure you are okay with where, when and how they can be used. The gift cards will usually have a barcode for scanning, or a long number and PIN number for typing, similar to a credit card. And when used at checkout, the value of the card is taken off your bill. Pretty simple. Money off for you. Some resellers like Card Yard, Jam Donut, Cards to Cash and Hyperjar offer e-gift cards that are immediately available. Top Cashback usually only supply the e-card the next working day, which just requires a bit more planning.
Thanks. And all these resellers have guarantees in place to ensure the process goes smoothly. And this probably contributes to their great or excellent Trustpilot scores. There are links to the reseller sites in the description. Top Cashback is currently offering you £10 free if you sign up and use our referral code. So if you were to buy £100 of discounted gift cards which are discounted by 10%, then you can get £100 of value to spend and save £20. So, a pretty easy way to get that money off. Okay, now for holidays.
Who doesn't want an extra weekend away or to reduce the cost of a week away? Getting discounts off holidays, hotels or hire cars is one way to get it. Lingus currently has 15% off. Perhaps you are thinking, 15%. Is it worth the hassle? Well, imagine you spend £2,000 a year on holidays. 15% off £2,000 is around £300 over a year.
Right. Let's go through holidays discounts we can get right now, as of Saturday the 1st of March 2025.
We covered Lingus at 15% off a few moments ago. So next, airline gift cards are available at both Jam Donut and Hyperjar at 5 and 4.5%.
FlystayGift, RentacarGift and ToursGift have gift cards at 5% off.
Jet2 Holidays, Royal Caribbean and Royal Caribbean by Inspire have gift cards at 4% off.
If this has been helpful so far, then please hit the like button. Perhaps hotels is more your thing. Whether you like a cheap and cheerful place to stay, or a more luxe weekend away, why not get it cheaper? The best offer you can get at the moment in hotels is with Hotel Gift Card via Jam Donut at 11.5%, which, based on a £2,000 per year spend, means an extra £230 in your wallet. Jam Donut has cards for the Hotel Card and Global Hotel Card at 10 and 7.5%.
Airbnb cards are available at both Hyperjar and Top Cashback at 5 and 4.5%.
HotelsGift via Jam Donut has cards with 5% off.
Hotels.com cards are available at Hyperjar, Jam Donut and Top Cashback at 3.5, 3 and 3%.
Some really good ways to get money off there. And that's not all. Check out the channel for even more discounts in other areas of spend. And every Wednesday and Saturday, I'll update you again on the latest discounts you can get.
When you want to get these discounts, there are links to the reseller websites we just ran through in the description, including the Top Cashback referral link to get that free tenner.
If you share this video with others that want to get money off, I'm sure they will thank you.
We would love to hear your comments about the successes you've had.
If you value this channel, please remember to like and subscribe, so we can continue to keep you up to date on how to get money off.
Thanks for watching till the end, it is appreciated and helps out the channel a lot.
My name is Jay, keep getting money off, see you in the next update.
Bye.